Hello, welcome back to Smart Money TV. On this channel, I create content on how you can earn money online as an affiliate marketer, as a crypto trader, and everything that resonates with online money. So, if you are a new subscriber and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly smash the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. This will help you when I upload any new video like this. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can convert your airtime to cash and how you can also start a data business by selling data to your friends and family and earn money with it. So I'll be showing you all these things for free in today's video. It is not necessary that you sell data to your friends. You can also do it yourself at a cheaper rate. I will also show you how you can convert your airtime to cash. You have majority that always mistakenly load airtime through ATM or in any other means. They mistakenly load it and they find it difficult to convert it back to cash. So in today's video, I'll be showing you two websites on how you can do this thing for free. The number one website I'll be showing you today is Mobile NG. So the link is available in the description button. All you have to do is to click on the link and it will direct you to this page. So you have to fill in your first name, your second name, your phone number here, put in your state, your username, your email, your referral. So here, make sure you click on friend, then put in your password and click on register. So it's very simple. Make sure you do all these things and you'll be registered within few minutes. After the registration, then you can now log into your account. After the registration, you'll be required to verify your email. So log into your email and verify your account. As you can see now that this is my dashboard and I currently have 246 naira on this wallet. Now I want to show you what you can do here on this website. You will need to click on the menu bar to set up your profile and click on my account. That's the first thing you need to do. Then you click on update profile. So you need to update your profile on this dashboard. As you can see that I have already updated this is my name, this is my username. Make sure everything is set. So after that, you can proceed to fund your account. Now on this website, you need to fund your account before you can do any operation on this site. Now to fund your account is very easy. You just need to click on fund account. So this website has been on existence since 2014 and I've been using them since 2016. So they are very legit and reliable. You can also do your KYC. You need to do your KYC. When you are through with the KYC, they will give you a unique bank account. This is my unique bank account right here. As you can see now, I have Wema Bank with them and this is my account number. This is the account name and this is the bank name. So you'll be given account number whereby you can deposit. If I pay any amount to this account, it will automatically reflected on this my available balance, this my wallet balance. Now you can fund your account in various ways. Let's click on fund account to see how you can do it. When you click on fund your account, you can fund your account in three different ways, either by bank transfer, either by ATM, online funding, or by airtime. These are the three ways you can fund your account. So it's very easy. If you want to fund your account by bank transfer, you just need to send your money to this account number. You can transfer your money to this account number. That's very simple, and within 1 minute your money will be reflected on your dashboard. You can also fund by ATM, by ATM pin, ATM details. So but if you want to do that, the minimum amount you can fund with your ATM is 2,450. But if you want to do transfer, you can even transfer 100 naira, it will reflect. Now the third way you can fund your wallet is by ATM, and this is where you are going to. When you click on that, you can see here that funding your wallet by transferring MTN, 9 Mobile or Glo Airtime to us. Your wallet will be automatically credited within 2 minutes. Under menu, click on Airtime. So that is how you can let me click here to get started. Now you need to read all these things over here. You need to read them and understand. So it's very simple. It's what I've been doing, and I've been converting my airtime to cash. You just have to follow the procedure. Now the first thing that it says is that fill the form below correctly for airtime to cash. Any airtime transfer without filling the form shall be defaulted. That is the first instruction. The second instruction, the minimum amount is 500 naira and maximum for is 5,000 naira. Glo is 1,000 naira per transaction, per transfer. So the minimum amount for MTN and 9 Mobile is 500 naira, but for Glo the maximum per transaction is 1,000 naira. So if you want to transfer on Glo, you cannot do more than 1,000 naira maximum per transaction, but for other network you can do 5,000 naira maximum per transaction. Now his third instruction, if you want to send pin, please load it on any MTN SIM and transfer to us. So if you have the airtime must be on your SIM. You cannot do VTU to them. You have to load it first and transfer it to them. Now the fourth instruction, you must send the airtime within 20 minutes or the transaction will be automatically cancelled. When you fill this form, you need to transfer the airtime within 20 minutes. The fifth one, to transfer any, okay, this is the code to transfer the MTN airtime. To change MTN transfer pin, this is the code. To transfer 9 Mobile airtime, so they're just trying to teach you how you can do this transaction. So you can also read this, and there's always percent. Now for MTN, your wallet will be credited with 85%, for Glo 80%, for 9 Mobile 75% of amount of airtime sent. So if you transfer 1,000 naira worth of airtime to them, they will give you 85% in return. 85%. So 85% of 1,000 naira is about 850 naira. So that's what you'll be getting in return. And for Glo, you'll be getting 80%, that's about 800 naira. For 9 Mobile, you'll be getting 75%, that's about 750 naira. It is also stated here clearly that for instance, for MTN 1,000 naira airtime it's equal to 850, for Glo 800, for 9 Mobile 750. So that is how it is. And let us proceed. And this is the form you are required to fill. The first thing, you select the network. As you can see currently now, the Glo limit has reached for today, and MTN is available for today as at this time, and 9 Mobile is also available. So if you want to go for MTN, click on MTN, select the amount here. If it's 1,000, put in 1,000, then sending from number from which the airtime will be sent. So if you are sending the number you are sending the airtime with, if you are sending it with your number, put the number here. You can type it here, and you click on agree, and you click on submit. So when you submit this, note we accept airtime transfer only. Any VTU sent to us will not be accredited to your wallet. Kindly transfer exactly 1,000 naira airtime to. So this is the number I will be transferring the 1,000 naira to. Transaction is valid for 20 minutes. So I have just 20 minutes to do this. Status pending. Network MTN. I want to transfer 1,000 naira. This is my number. So this is the amount I will be receiving, 850. Note, currently you cannot fund your wallet with Airtel airtime. Wallet crediting within 2 to 5 minutes once your transfer. So currently now, only Airtel airtime cannot be funded, but you can use MTN, Glo and 9 Mobile, and your wallet will be funded within 2 to 5 minutes. So I have to do this transaction, but I'm just doing this for the purpose of this video. I'm not sending any money. So I have to go back. You can see that this is the pending transaction. So once the transaction is approved, this pending will change to approved, and once it's approved, you can go back to your dashboard. So once it's approved, your money will be reflected here, and from here you can also withdraw it to your bank account. So if you want to set up your bank account, just go to the menu bar, click on my accounts, and update your profile. So from there you'll be able to put in your account number and everything. So from there you can also withdraw your money. Now let me click on withdraw fund to show you how you can withdraw your money. Now this is where you input your bank details. If you are yet to add your bank details, you can also click here to add. So fill the form below to withdraw your fund. Minimum of 1,000 naira can be withdrawn. So minimum of 1,000 naira can be withdrawn from this platform. Then you put in your amount and click on withdraw. So the money will be sent to your account within 5 minutes. Now let us talk about the pay bills. You can also do some pay bills, pay your start time, your GoTV, your DSTV fund here directly. So just select the service. As you can see, they have different service: DSTV, GoTV, start time, SMS, data bundle, smile recharge, a lot of wide results, NECO, electricity, and a lot of things that is available on this website. And to start data business, you can also click on data, click on buy data. Presently now, MTN network is poor, 9 Mobile is poor, Glo is excellent, 9 Mobile gift is excellent. So it doesn't mean it will not go, but they're just trying to tell you that the network is very poor. Now you choose your network here. If it's MTN, choose MTN. You choose the amount. The minimum amount you can do is 500 MB. They have 1 gig, they have 2 gig, they have. If it is 500 MB, click on it, then put in your number and click on buy. So that is that on this platform. You can also check it and go through their features on how you can use it. So it's very simple. For the sake of this video, I will not be able to reveal the second website, but that will be my next video. So my next video, I will drop the second website on how you can buy data at very low rates and sell it back to your people at a very higher rate and earn some profit. So on this note, I would like to say thank you guys and see you in my next video. If you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you.